Okay, y'all. Hey, y'all. So let's go ahead and make these red velvet pancakes using DivineKuizine's complete and fluffy pancake mix. Okay, so this is gonna be super easy, y'all. Super easy, and this is good for like Valentine's Day. It's a good dessert. I'm a really sweet kind of person, so this could even be a dessert for me or a brunch or anything. So let's get started. So we're gonna use the DivineKuizine pancake mix, and we're gonna use the complete. We have two. We have a gluten-free. So if you need something that's not gluten, get our gluten-free pancake. But today I'm gonna just be using our regular complete and fluffy pancake. So we're gonna do 2 cups. So this is 1 cup. That's 2 cups, and our pancake mix comes in 2 pounds. So it's a good serving size for this. You can make up to 10 pancakes with this. Where I know usually most ones are like a pound. This is like 2 pounds. So you're getting a good deal with this. So we got that. We got some cocoa. I'm using the Hershey's chocolate cocoa. And we're gonna do a tablespoon of cocoa. And that's it, because everything else is in here. You know, your baking soda and all that kind of stuff, since we're using pancake mix. So you just whisk that together. It's gonna give it kind of a brown looking color. And now we're gonna work on our wet ingredients. I'm gonna put that to the side. This is so wet over here. And we have a bowl for our wet ingredients. Put this over here. So we're going to do, and the thing that makes them red is red food coloring. So we have 2 eggs. 2 eggs. We're gonna use milk, but you can use half and half. You could use, I have whole milk. You can use buttermilk. Just some type of liquid. I got 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Melted butter. And don't worry, all the ingredients will be at DivineKuizine.com, the full recipe. And we're gonna just stir. Oh, we have vanilla, so I'm gonna put all that in there. Vanilla in there, vanilla extract. We're gonna whisk all that around, and we're gonna put a couple drops of our red food coloring. And you put as much as you want, is how you want the color of your pancakes to be. So we're gonna whisk that. I'm gonna put a little more because it's looking a little more pink than red to me. So I'm just gonna, and I kind of want a deep red. And your kids will like this. I mean, it's really quick and easy. You can do something fun. They will thought that you slaved in the kitchen. And then you can always do like a red, you could do a cream cheese icing, you could do powdered sugar, syrup, just kind of what you want. So now I'm getting ready to take the dry, mix the dry with the wet, the dry mixture. You want it to look like this, and so we're going to take it over and we're going to fry them up. Okay, y'all, don't it look good? We finished our red velvet pancakes. Nice and moist inside, nice and moist. So I'm gonna go in for the taste. We use the DivineKuizine Complete and Fluffy Pancake Mix. We got, don't that look good, y'all? I did some little cream cheese icing on it. Look at that. Wants to look inside for me. That look good, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Taste it. It's fluffy. They just like what it says on my pancakes. Complete and fluffy. Nice and fluffy. I got them edges. It's fluffy. You see it? Y'all can see it better. It's tender. It's sweet. It's the perfect sweetness too. You know, it's the perfect, because my pancakes are already sweet themselves, you know what I'm saying? So these pancakes, you don't really get a bland pancake because the mix is already kind of sweetened already. So you don't really have to put any other sweeteners with it. And then with that cream cheese icing, these nice, fluffy, they just bomb, y'all, bomb. It was easy to do. Get you this DivineKuizine pancake mix, a little bit of cocoa powder, your eggs, and all the stuff that you see me do. This is good for, like I said, brunches, ladies or gentlemen, for your brunch. This is gonna take it up a notch. You're gonna always get a nice fluffy pancake every time. This is another way that you can use one of my products, DivineKuizine's Complete and Fluffy Pancake Mix. So I'm gonna go in, this is gonna be my dessert tonight. I'm gonna go in, finish this, make dinner, and have this as my dessert. But Red Velvet Pancakes, a must make. Love y'all, Shay.